Welcome back to Caddy Station, and in today's tutorial we are going to convert this sketch into 3D model that's look like this one. And let's start from this top view. It's a detailed sketch, so starting from SolidWorks 2023 and new part. Now first of all, if we just go for the sketch, we are going to use extrude boss base twice, as this is a profile and the second one is 1, 2 and this 3. So I'm going to take this circle as the origin, or you can take this one, these two circles, you can make them the reference point or the origin of your sketch. Starting from top plane and sketch circle, just make a circle here, second here, and now one one circle and the second and the third. We are going to make 3 circles here, 2 and 3. Here we have 1 and okay, two circles here. Next there is a flit, so we can make a circle here for our reference. And now smart dimension, this is of radius 20. First let's take this one, radius 16, 32. So this one is 32, okay, by 32 by 2 for the diameter. As this is radius 32, this is 16 by 2 for the diameter. And next is the last one is going to be of, let me find, you can, here this is 20, so this one is going to be of dia 20, and the same this one 20. Now next, this is radius 20, so dia should be, let me, this one is 40. Now distance between these two circles you can find here, this is 67.5 from center to center. So from center, escape, now again smart dimension, find the center point, and this one this is going to be 67.5. Now next is this is radius 8, so same, dia should be 8 into 2, and distance between circle and the radius center is 43.5. so from this is 43.5, right? Now we can make these two circles here. It's a complicated one, so it takes some time. We are going to make one circle here and one circle here, escape. These two are equal, press Ctrl and select the both circles and make the relation equal. Now center points, and this is going to be vertical. Select the center point and the origin. Okay, let's wait and select the origin. Okay, first take this dimension out of the circle, so it will be easy to select the origin point. This both are going to be horizontal. Now these two circles is at a distance of 37, so smart dimension, center to center, this is 37, and the dimension of circle is, you can take there is no dimension for this circle, so we can take these 3 circles as equal. So this is 16 dia, and This one is 8, so it's going to be at the center. Okay, 37, no, not the 8, it's 37 by 2. This is right now, it's right. Select these two circles and make the relation tangent, and that's all for this side. Now we can make these lines, line or from here. Okay, again select the line. I just click on the point. I am going to make this line as tangent. You can see one line here. Next is, okay, again select the line and the outer circle to from here, and double click. Now from here to here, straight to the bottom. Escape. Now this is a tangent line or smart dimension. The height is going to be here to the center is 38.5. So we can say from here to the center is 35.8. it's 38.5. 38.5. And okay, this is tangent line. So this one and this one is going to be tangent, right? And all right, delete this dimension as we have no idea about the dimension. So but we know this point is vertical to the origin, so we can mark, select these 2 points and make the relation vertical. Now we can get the dimension of this circle. So that's why the dimension is not visible in the sketch. Now what we can say, select these two and make the relation tangent. Select these two and make the relation tangent. Okay, and select the center and take this dimension out. Now again these 2 points and make the relation vertical. Now it's look good. Next is we have to make a horizontal line from this point, horizontal line, right? Now next is this one is going to be straight vertical, and escape. Now next is we can make this one, and this one as the for construction, and control 8, press control and take it here. Now we can make this line. This is vertical line, so line from the center, 1, double click. Now at a distance of 16, it's going to be here. So and escape. Now trim entities, we can trim. Okay, let's wait. We will do the trim later. Now at a distance of 75, there is a circle of radius 8. So again circle, a smart dimension. This is of 16 dia, so the radius is 8 at a height of 75 mm. This is 75 and at a distance of 88. So first we have to make this total dimension as 116.5 from the origin, 116.5 from center to here. This is 116.5. Now from This circle to the end is 88. From the origin center point, this is 88. Right now, this is tangent. There is a circle of radius 9. Again, circle. Let's make these two circles 1 and 2. One circle here and one circle here. Smart dimension. This one is radius 11.5. 11.5 into 2 for the diameter. This is a radius 9. So dia should be 9 by 2. Now the height is 84. This is 84. And this height is 56. This is 56. This is 12. 56, 12. Now we can make a tangent line. Now next is at a distance of 28, there is a circle of 9, radius 9. Okay, the height is 38 and 37. So height is 38 and horizontal distance is 37 and okay. Now we can make this tangent line and another tangent line here. Okay, the horizontal distance of the circle, it is going to be 28 by 2, or you can say radius. It's it is at a center point, so we can make it later. Now make the relations, or first make the line from here to a tangent line. Double click, vertical line, double click, and now from here to the tangent to circle, both circle tangent lines, and escape. Now start from here. Okay, now select these two and make the relation tangent. These two, I am pressing the control for selecting two geometries, tangent. Now next is these two are tangent. By default it's tangent, but we can again check it. These two are first make it as vertical, and now we can make these two as tangent. Right, it's on the right position. Now these two, by pressing the control, they are also tangent, and there is tangent line. These are two circles. Now we can use the trim. I have to trim this one, this line, this one, and this one. Next is we can also do the same for this line and this one, and okay, this one too. It's going to be trim. Now all the dimensions are mentioned here and the 2D sketch is ready. Now we can use the extrude boss base, but we have a okay, there is no hole. These two holes are here, one and the second one. Now you can check it. All right, all the profiles are ready. This one is here, this is a closed one, and this one. Now next is there is a circle. Okay, and now I guess it's completed. Now we can use the extrude boss base. So features, extrude boss base, and this is going to be select contours. I want to extrude this one. How much we have to extrude you can find here. This one is 13 millimeters, the central part, and this height is 7 on each side. So first we can use the 13 millimeters, and I'm going to use the mid plane. It will help us for the second extrude boss base. Done. Now the second part is really easy. Just right click and show sketch. Now again select the top plane and sketch. Now we are going to select these two circles and convert into it is. Now next is we have to make this profile. So this one, this one, this one is going to be convert entities. And now next you can make the circles here. 1, 2. I'm just tracing on the previous sketch, and this 6 type, control 8 again. I've just made one more circle here, the last one. Now the line command, this is going to be vertical here. Double click, this one, escape. Now we have this profile again. So line, first of all, just make a line, escape. Now select, press the control and select all the geometries here and use the convert entities. Now this line is at a distance of, you can find here, the height is 48. So we need from here to here as, okay, I've just make on the midpoint, so delete, again line, escape. Now smart dimension, and this is going to be of 48. Now use the trim entities, trim this hole, and you can trim this one, this one, this one, and this one. These all are going to be extrude. Now this is going to be trim. Now you can see we are going to extrude this profile. This is here. We are going to extrude this one and the last one. These three are going to be extrude of 7 on each side. That's going to be total of 27 millimeters. So features, extrude, and this is going to be of 27 and mid plane, and okay. Now this sketch can be hide by clicking here hide, and the sketch 3D model is ready. Control 7 for isometric view, and plain white, or you can change its appearance to, the only thing, the difficulty you can face in this tutorial will be of the 2D sketch that we have done earlier in the starting of the video. This may take a few times for you. Now you can change the appearance as, okay, that's okay, right? And this is finally completed. So I hope you can understand the whole tutorial. If you have any problem regarding the tutorial, you can ask me in the comment section, or if you like the video, then subscribe the channel for more videos, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.